everyone, good evening. And time check is actually still afternoon. Time check is 5 p.m. in the afternoon here in the UK. Right, okay. Tonight, I am not going to cook in this kitchen of mine. Instead, I am going to share it with you the most valuable or most useful gadget that I have. I'll show you now. So, this newfound gadget of mine is called a key finder or a wallet tracker even. It's the brand is on the screen. It's CHZ HVAN brand. It comes as well with the arm strap look. It requires one battery, but it is already included when you purchase it. And it will last up to 1 year. And the good thing is, the battery is replaceable. Yes, it is replaceable. And it is water resistant too. And before I forget, guys, this gadget, it works only with Apple or iOS only. Just use the pre-installed Find My app and add it to the Items tab. You can then locate it anywhere in the world using Apple's network of millions of devices. Now that this device is now connected into my key, happy days. No more lost key from now on. And one more good thing is it works with Bluetooth. Once you connected, you can then find your items like your bags, your luggage, backpack, or even your pets. So what are you waiting for? Order yours now. Bye-bye.